And staying with IPOs, Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba has held a kickoff meeting for its planned U.S. initial public offering. It's the first gathering of the bankers, lawyers, and accountants helping the company see the listing through. Cathy Yang has the details.
The kickoff meeting was held behind closed doors as Alibaba management and arrangers outlined plans for the listing. Analysts weren't surprised Alibaba held its kickoff meeting in Hong Kong.
I think Alibaba somehow still want to maintain a strong presence in Hong Kong, or should I call it China? Hong Kong as the international financial center of China.
Most of the Chinese internet stocks in the U.S. is covered by the Hong Kong China internet analysts because 100% of the business is still in China.
Much like peers in the city, Eleanor covers Chinese internet stocks in the U.S., such as Baidu, from Hong Kong. And this is how it's going to be for Alibaba, she says, once it is listed in the U.S. She says its listing in the U.S. will attract more investors from the U.S. than those from Asia.
You don't want something to happen overnight that you don't know while you are sleeping. So it's a little bit more difficult for Asia investors to trade the U.S. stock.
But that is not to say Alibaba is unlikely to encounter hurdles in the U.S., even as the listing rules there are more flexible than Hong Kong's.
The U.S. authority may look at the data and look at the economic and financial information about the company. Some of them may be kind of sensitive. They may not list all the business or assets in the U.S. What I think is sensitive is the information about the consumers, about also the information about their logistic network and the information about how they run their business.
Just as there is a lot of anticipation in Alibaba's listing, there is equal apprehension that it will probably spell the peak of the technology market. That is why some analysts advise the stock is as good as a sell, as the kickoff meeting brings it closer to its listing date. Cathy Yang, CCTV, Hong Kong.